Capture your child's next step towards greatness with Oak Lane Studios Back to School Chalkboard Sign project. First, sand some colored chalk into a pile of chalk dust over a clean piece of paper and separate into different cups. Use a new piece of paper and a different section of sandpaper for each color. Next, take the first stencil and turn over on a protected surface. Spray some Repositionable Spray Adhesive on the back side of the stencil and allow to dry for a few seconds. Position the stencil on the chalkboard, making sure to leave sufficient space at the bottom for the grade stencil. Using a dropper, add a small amount of water to the white powder and mix to form a paste. Remove excess moisture by swirling the brush on a paper towel prior to stenciling. Apply the color very lightly. When wet, it will be barely visible on the black chalkboard. When working close to the frame, use the other hand to press the stencil down flat against the surface of the chalkboard. Once finished with a color, rinse the brush well and dry thoroughly using a clean rag or paper towel before moving on to the next color. Repeat for each of the other colors. For stencil elements that are close together, use frog tape to mask off the portions that you aren't filling in with the next color. Once finished, wait at least a half hour for the chalk paste to dry completely. Remove the stencil if necessary to prevent overlap with the next one. Again, use Repositionable Spray Adhesive on the other stencil. Use frog tape to help hold it in place. By now, the white chalk will have dried out and will need a little more water. Once dry, lift your stencil to reveal your heartwarming new back-to-school sign. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.